We all want clear skin, hydrated, glossy, and bouncy. Can everyone achieve the glass skin standard? In the pursuit of clear, radiant skin, many of us find ourselves on a quest for the perfect skincare routine. But is achieving that elusive glass skin standard reserved only for the select few? Let's uncover the secrets and demystify the journey to healthy, glowing skin. Every skin is unique, presenting its own set of challenges and needs. One-size-fits-all solutions fall short in addressing the diverse array of skin types and concerns. So, how can we navigate this maze and discover what truly works for us? Let's start with the basics. A simple 3-step routine forms the cornerstone of any effective skincare regimen: cleansing, hydration, and protection. Begin by cleansing your face to rid it of impurities and excess oil. This step not only unclogs pores but also preps your skin for better absorption of subsequent products. Hydrating your skin is paramount for maintaining its health and vitality. A lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer packed with hydrating ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid can work wonders in replenishing moisture and restoring suppleness. Shield your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. This crucial step not only prevents premature aging, but also guards against the risk of skin cancer. While the basics remain constant, customization is key when it comes to addressing specific skin concerns. Whether you're grappling with dryness, oiliness, acne, or signs of aging, there's a tailored approach for you. For dry skin, opt for hydrating moisturizers and serums, enriched with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to combat dryness and promote elasticity. For oil skin, salicylic acid and retinol are your allies in regulating oil production and minimizing breakouts. Look for lightweight, oil-free formulas that won't exacerbate shine. For acne-prone skin, combat breakouts with targeted ingredients such as benzoyl peroxide and glycolic acid. Gentle, non-abrasive cleansers and spot treatments can help keep acne at bay without causing irritation. For aging skin, embrace the power of retinoids and antioxidants like vitamin C to reduce fine lines and promote collagen production. Invest in products that prioritize hydration and cellular renewal for a youthful complexion. Less is indeed more when it comes to skincare. Start with a minimalist approach, gradually introducing new products to avoid overwhelming your skin. And remember, always prioritize quality over quantity. While toners, essences, and serums aren't essential, they can elevate your skincare routine to new heights. Serums, in particular, deliver potent doses of nutrients and antioxidants, promoting radiant, youthful-looking skin. Beyond skincare products lies a realm of lifestyle factors that profoundly impact skin health. Prioritize adequate sleep, hydration, exercise, and nutrition to nourish your skin from within. In your journey towards healthy, radiant skin, remember that beauty transcends appearances. Embrace your unique features and celebrate the beauty that lies within. And above all, cherish the skin you're in. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more skincare tips.